Hello, so we are starting our journey from Bangalore to Asansol today. So it's around 6:45 and our first stop is Vijayawada. Okay, so let's start.
Hello guys, we are going to Asansol on car drive with my grandparents.
So currently we are moving towards the Hoskote road. So we'll take the Tirupati road from there. So it's probably we'll be hitting the Hoskote highway in another 30 minutes or so. So I'll try to give you the updates as we move forward, and also the nitty-gritties. How is the road condition? How is the condition of the pandemic situation, and if we have to take any further precautions as we move ahead. And I have seen some of the other blogs and also some of the discussion forums over internet, and so I'll not repeat most of these, but what I like to share with you is on some of the pieces which are being missed out there. So for example, how many breaks we have taken, or if you have to take a certain precaution of the road condition and the speed that you have to maintain, and you can maintain. So all of this information I'll try to give, and also the precise information on in terms of any road turns or shifts that we get to see from Chittoor to Tirupati to Srikalahasti and Nairupeta before we enter the National Highway 16. NH 75. Hello everyone, so we have hit finally NH 75 going towards Hoskote and then to Kolar, and we'll be hitting Chittoor very soon after that. So we are maintaining in the city traffic, hardly we are able to go beyond 30 km per hour. So we'll be soon crossing the first toll here. Looks like quite a big row of vehicle already, but we have our fast tags already filled in, so I hope we should be able to cross it pretty soon compared to the other vehicles. So stay tuned and let's see how the next few kilometers it goes through. I'll keep you posted.
Around 9 o'clock, 9:17, and we are heading towards Chittoor. We're reaching Chittoor in another half an hour or so. So we are having breakfast now. We are almost out of Bangalore. We are entering Andhra Pradesh. We have brought noodles.
Hi, so we have reached close to the Chittoor highway, and almost around another 10 minutes maybe we'll reach Chittoor, and from there we'll take the detour to Tirupati. This is the highway from Hoskote or after Kolar, actually near the close to the Andhra border, around 100 kilometers till Chittoor. So the entire road is the concrete road. It's very nice, but there are some undulating surface. So you can easily maintain a speed of around 100 to 120 kilometer. And we just finished our breakfast as well here. So here is Shrupa. So she is kind of our navigator and taking care of all our breakfast, lunch timings, and also if we working as a kind of co-navigator basically. So let's see how rest of the journey goes. We'll keep you posted, and take care. We'll see you again. Okay, so we just took the turn from the main highway towards Tirupati now. It took almost 3.5 hours with half an hour of break to reach this spot. From here, Tirupati is around 60 kilometers more, 50 or 60 kilometers, and then we will straightway move towards Srikalahasti and Naidupeta. So that
In 600 meters, turn left onto National Highway 16.
Hello, we are back again. So we just crossed Naidupeta, and so there is a very small detour. Suddenly we'll see. It's 1:58 p.m. right now, and we just moving towards NH16, and so we are just crossing a small railway line. Actually, it's a unmanned railway crossing where we have to move and then reach through the rice field and paddy fields into NH16, which is looking really stunningly beautiful from here. So let's see how the rest of the journey goes. We are around 340 more kilometers to reach Vijayawada from here.
The road from Tirupati was not very good, so it took some time to reach Naidupeta. So we were around half an hour late. Hopefully the road will be fine after this. So from this point we are taking left towards Nellore. So we took left, and this is National Highway 16. So now we'll be going towards Nellore. And
So we are eating the lunch. I'm eating the rest of the noodle, and we are also eating chapati with some potato mix.
we have crossed Nellore, and we are having lunch. It's 3:30.
We are here in the hotel. This is the reception place, and we are entering our rooms.
This is AP Tourism. the Harita Resort.
It is gorgeous. So we are here at the hotel. Yeah, it's really nice. We also have a restaurant to order a food. We are going to order a dinner from here. We have a food ordering room service where we can order the food. We are going to go to the rooms now. So this is the veranda of our room.
So this is Harita Resort. It's government resort. It's fairly clean. It's not like like posh hotels, but it is fine. Okay, and we have got our own bed sheets and pillow because of this COVID time. So pillow cover. So we have used that. So, but the main good point of this resort is that they have a private like area for the Krishna River. From the veranda you can see, it's night but still you can see
It's beautiful.
the river is looking very nice. And the veranda is also pretty big. So today our day ends in Vijayawada. Tomorrow again we'll start for Vizag. So see you tomorrow again. Good night.